Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today's video, let's learn how we can set up a Discord server. So first thing first, make sure that you have downloaded Discord in your PC. If not, you can also use a web browser. All you have to do is open a web browser, simply type in Discord or log in Discord. You will see a page like this, and you will see Discord's official website at the first search result. Go ahead, open it. It will ask you to open Discord. And likewise, you will get landed onto a page like this. Now in my case, I am also using my web browser. So make sure that you are at least logged into your Discord account and you will see a page like this. Now in here, in order to create a server, what you have to do is, from the left hand side, you will see various servers that you are a member of. For example, this is my own server that I created. As you can see, this has my name in it. And likewise, if you see onto my next server, this is the server that I was a member of. Likewise, you will see various stuff here, but if you would like to create a server, scroll all the way below from your left hand side, you will be able to locate a plus button. So go ahead, select the plus button. As you hover your mouse here, you will see add a server option. You have to click onto it. And likewise, at the first one, you will see create my own. Now, if you're trying to create your own and if you need some help, you can also start from templates, like they have gaming template, friends, study group, so on and so forth. Let's go ahead, select study group. You can explore this in your own time. And likewise, give your name. In my case, I'm going to show you how you can create your own server from scratch. So let's select create my own. Now, when you select create your own, you have to customize everything from channel name to roles. So let's select for me and my friends. You can also go for a club or community. Once you do so, let's go ahead and type in a name. As you can see, name is mandatory. So I'm gonna mention a name like test server. If you'd like, you can also add a photo by selecting this upload button. It will open up your file explorer, add a photo from there. Once done, select create. Wait for this to load, and now there we have it. As you can see, this is my test server. You will see welcome to this server, which is the name of my server. Now, after you have created your server, the first thing to do is create a category. So the category usually means the option that you all see in this section. As you can see, two channels are already created. One is text channel, which has general in it. Another is voice channel. So general channel can be used for random messaging, and the voice channel can be used for calling or sending videos, anything that involves a voice. So let's go ahead, create a category so that you can also see at this section here. Now, make sure that you are selecting text channel if you would like to add some text, and you are selecting voice channels plus button if you would like to add something that is related with your voice. So I'm gonna select text channel, select the plus button, and write something here. Let's say communication, and then select create channel. Once done, you will see the communication channel has now been opened. You can also edit your name. In my case, I have just made a mistake with this, but yeah, surely you can edit the channel's name. In case you would like to delete this channel, the process is same as well. What you can do is select this button icon, and here select delete channel, and it will be gone. And specifically, you can select which person should have access to this. So go ahead and select the invite friends, mention their name, and then invite them. Likewise, if you would like to get into a call, what you can do is simply select voice channel like this. Let's go general. As you do that, it will say microphone access is denied because I have not yet given microphone access to Discord, but you can go ahead, give access. And likewise, you will also see something happening on your bottom left hand side that says voice connected, voice details. Now, I am into a call right now, even though I don't have anyone here, but if there is anyone under voice channel, they will be able to join it. We can also turn on our camera, share our screen, and start an activity. Likewise, you can also open soundboard. This is not that mandatory. You can also mute or unmute yourself. If you would like to hang up the call, you can simply select disconnect button and the call will be ended. Now, that being our voice channel, let's see what we can do under our communication channel. So go ahead and select the communication and type any messages that you would like. And all the people that are a member of this group will be able to see your messages right here. And likewise, you can also create another one, let's say design team. And then enter. and you will see design team has just opened, and so forth. You can create your own channel under text. If you would like to do the same for your voice, you can select this create channel under voice and create it. Let's say for calls here. And likewise, for calls is selected. If you would like to get on a group call, you can message here, mention their name, and then get into a call. And once done, another thing that you can do for your server is again select this drop down menu or simply the name of your server. Now in here, select this invite people. Now as you can see, I am alone in my server here. If you would like to invite other people, you're gonna have to simply search for their name. And also be noted, you cannot invite members that are already not your friends. So if this person is your friend, as you can see, this is my friend, I can invite this person. For example, if you're trying to search for a person that is not in your Discord friends list, you will not be able to invite them. What they can do is, they can simply copy the link of your channel and then paste it. For example, if you would like to share this channel with your friends and invite them, select this invite people button. And likewise, you will also see this copy button. As you copy the link and paste it, they will be landed onto your Discord channel. So go ahead and simply copy the link, send it to your friends via any platform. Once they paste the link or click the link, they will see this accept invite. They have to click onto it and they will get landed onto your server. Now let's go ahead and make some changes in our roles. Select this drop down menu. And then here select settings, which is also called server settings. Once done, you can also change your server name anytime. So let's go ahead and type in Techie server. Now once you have changed the name, don't forget to save changes. If you forgot to save changes and select any of these, it will simply shake your screen mentioning you have unsaved changes. Go ahead, save changes, and then select roles. Now roles are very important if you are trying to restrict somebody's access. You will get to a page like this. Let's go ahead, select create roles. And once you do so, you may go ahead and type in a role name. Let's go ahead and give the role name head or simply head creator. Once done, you will also see permissions. Don't just create the name and save changes, it will do nothing, but you also have to go for permission, links, and whatever there is mentioned. Let's go ahead, select permission. Now under permission, mention what roles you would like to grant that person who are under head creator roles. You can either make them administrator, make them to create events, manage events, or simply provide all the permission all at once. Now in my case, I would like to just go for view channels, manage channels, and manage roles. Once done, select links. Now link says linking a connection or app requires members to connect their accounts before being added to the role. This might be not of very high importance, so go ahead, save changes. Now as you can see, I have just created a head creator role. Whoever is in my head creator role, they will be able to view roles, manage roles, and also manage permissions because that is what I gave to him or her. Now let's go ahead, select everyone. So the everyone means every person that are a member of your group. Now for everyone, you cannot change their name because it shows like this, meaning I cannot go back to display. However, you can manage permissions. So if you would like every member of your team to view channel, toggle this. If you would like to do other stuff, go ahead, select everything. You can also explore other if you scroll below. Likewise, save changes if you have made any. Select save changes. Now in case you change your mind and you would like to remove permission for everyone, right? What you can do is come back onto the settings again, select roles, and simply under your specific name, which is everyone, you may go ahead, select reset. If you select reset, the permissions will be set to default, meaning they can only view channels. And likewise, you may go ahead, either select skip or simply select or type in skip from your keyboard. And once you do so, this is what it will look like. So guys, this is all you have to do to set up a server on Discord. Thank you all for watching. If it has helped you in any ways, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.